Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today, and today this is all the ingredients we're going to use. So we have 1 cup of plain flour, we have 3 eggs, we're going to use half of green bell pepper, going to use half of red bell pepper, we have 1 small red onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tomato, and the cabbage we're going to use half of cabbage. I ain't going to use the whole cabbage, so I'm just going to use half of cabbage. And we have our little black pepper. We're going to use a touch of black pepper, all-purpose season, 1 stalk of spring onion. So in Selvin Kitchen today we're going to make cabbage pie.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone.
So guys, this done cut up some cabbage. So half of a small white cabbage. So I'm just gonna cut up half of green bell pepper. Yeah, we don't want this. We're just gonna cut out all of the inside of it. Take out the seeds. Take the seeds away. Just gonna slice it up. So we're gonna use half of red bell pepper, half of green bell pepper. Just gonna slice them up. Now half of red bell pepper. Take out the middle.
When all I can is thinking about you, not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here, it's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing.
So this is gonna grate off 3 cloves of garlic. You can crush the garlic if you want, it's optional, or you can cut it up, but I love to grate the garlic and it's much easier for me. Just 3 cloves of grated garlic. Scrape that off. So just gonna give that a mix it up. So just gonna put in 3 eggs in it. Give it a stir. So guys, today in Selvin Kitchen we're gonna make a cabbage pie. So put in 3 eggs, And I put in a little bit of bit of scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just gonna have in a little touch of black pepper. A little touch of all-purpose season. A little touch of salt. Give it a nice stir because you want to get in all of that all-purpose season, all of that black pepper, everything mixed up in it. Then I have a cup of plain flour. So guys, I just season up my cabbage pie. Just put in the eggs, and the season and everything. I'm just gonna put a little bit of cooking oil. Just gonna simmer the cooking oil in the pot like that. I don't want to use too much cooking oil. You want to get all of that oil over all of the pot bottom. So the less oil you can use is better for you, health wise. So gonna scrape it out, all of it in it. So get the spoon, press it down like that. I want everything to level and one level. In pie, just take a time out, guys, and please subscribe and please share and like, and please make a comment. So now I'm just gonna put a bit of file paper over the pot and seal it. I'm gonna put a chopping board right like that. I'm gonna give it around 3 minutes and then I check it. So guys, I'm just gonna turn it around a bit, just gonna spin it around, just put another lid on it, just gonna flick it around like that. Do it very quickly, like that. So I'm gonna give that side another 4 minutes. Put a file paper above it. Just gonna put my cutting board on top of it to hold on that steam in it. So I give it another 3 minutes. So people, if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe, please take a time out, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and please share and like, and please make a comment. So guys, I just gonna look at this now. I think it's all finished. Switching a little bit water there on the file paper. So I want to get this water in of it. Get that out. Yes, people, this is all finished now. Just gonna make this cool for around 5 minutes. Look at that, people. It's beautiful. Hi guys, this is all finished. This is my cabbage pie. Look at it, people. If you guys don't try this as yet, please try it. It's very delicious. It's very healthy. Oh my god, look at that, people. If you guys want to see me make another video like this, please subscribe and please share and like and please make a comment. Selvin Kitchen. And the people, that is beautiful.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be